Okay, so I'm getting a lot of questions on how do I make sure that I've turned everything in on Edmodo. So if you go to your group page, right here I'm on my accounts base screen when I just logged in. Okay, got the student Jimmy. Okay, and you got your groups here. I just joined 6-1 just to show you guys how this works. So I click on the groups. On there. Come on, baby. Okay. So I'm on. When I'm on, I have the news feed of all the different things in the order that I give them in. And it's really hard to see what things are turned in and when things are due. So, and if it's not turned in yet. So all you got to do is go to this heartbeat thing up here. This is your status, progress. Click on the group that you're trying to get to. And now it's a whole lot easier to see what assignments you need to be turning in. You can see right over here, since I just joined, that all these assignments I haven't turned in yet. Big thing at the end of the quarter is the Maker Faire approval. So let's walk through that and what you got to do to turn that in. And then you can, based off of that, you can be turning in all your other assignments, making sure it's all good to go. So looking at this account, I click on Maker Faire approval. It brings up the project. Pretty much everything that I have you turning in, it has a link to the actual document. And then it'll have your thing right here for turning in. You got to make sure it says turn in assignment down here for you to be able to turn it in. I was getting some problems where people were commenting their links and all that onto the actual project site. We don't want to do that. So we want to get a link that sits in right here. Okay? So let's go to the document. So remember, the original document, that's mine. You don't get to write on that. And it'll say view only on it. So what you need to do is you go file, make a copy right away, and then you can name it whatever you want. And so I'm just going to keep mine copy of Maker Faire. Maybe you put your names on it, whatever you want to do. And so on this copy, the first thing you do every single time is you hit share, and you share it with everybody you want to share it with, including myself. For sharing with me, all you got to do is put PETE, and my name will start showing up. That's it. Okay, make sure you share with me, and then let's say you're in a group of 3. Okay, the 2 other people in your group. Remember, only one person needs to do this on the document, or do this. Start the document. Okay, and then other people can type onto it later. So I've shared it. Okay, now I'm ready to be doing all these things here. And on the Maker Faire videos, I'll show you what all I'm looking for in here. Okay, I'll have an example for you. So let's say I'm done with the document. I'm ready to turn in. So what do? I want to grab this link right up here. If it goes blue, that's a good thing. And I can, using my mouse, I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to go copy. So now I have the link. You could also do it through share and get the link to share with others. There's lots of different ways. You can do Control C. Okay, so once you got the link, then you go to the turn-in page. Okay, and all you got to do, you could right-click and do paste. You could do the hotkeys of Control V, whatever you got to do. So there's my link right there. When I hit click turn in, it'll show up. Another thing you should do, or you can do, is you stick it into the link part. This is good if you have multiple ones and you can organize them and you can actually name them, just like I did up there. So it went off. I can press Control V right there. When I come down to the bottom, it'll automatically bring up Google Docs. That's what it says. I could say, make your example. That'll link, right? And you see that it red X. That's a good example. You don't.
That's a good example. You want to do